Hi there, I'm Lisa from Envision Workshops. Do you work with clients who have been diagnosed with borderline personality disorders? Or maybe you work with clients who self-injure or think about killing themselves. Did you know that working with EMDR can provide a powerful way to neutralize self-harm? When destructive behaviors are based on lack of regulation skills, it's necessary to give the client adaptive information and tools. Working on memories that are at the basis of such dysregulation is crucial in many cases. On many occasions, emotions, feelings, beliefs, or self-harm memories are connected with specific biographical events. To identify and process these memories can put an end to the self-injurious behavior. Starting on September 22nd, Dolores Mosquera will be presenting a webinar on the topic of EMDR therapy for suicidal clients and self-harming behaviors, as well as EMDR therapy for borderline personality disorders. This workshop will discuss considerations throughout the 8-phase model, including the need to be on the lookout and adjust to the emergence of potentially treatment-sabotaging defensive responses. Case examples will illuminate an array of different client difficulties and symptoms and how they may manifest in challenging clinical presentations. Methods for engaging clients collaboratively and constructively in their treatment will be discussed, as well as strategies to keep client reprocessing within the window of tolerance to increase clinical effectiveness and efficiency. Sign up today by clicking the link below.